Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with wastewater engineering in the topic of biological oxygen demand. So the first question, the unit of biological oxygen demand is, so that is BoD unit is option A milligram per liter, option B gram per liter, option C parts per million, option D percentage. So BoD is expressed in terms of milligram per liter, that is meaning of amount of oxygen required to decompose liter of water. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, milligram per liter is the correct answer. Next question, standard BoD test is conducted for the how many days at 20 degrees Celsius? Option A 1 day, option B 3 days, option C 5 days and option D 7 days. So the correct answer is option C 5 days. So the standard BoD test will be conducted at 20 degrees Celsius for 5 days. Next question, if initial dissolved oxygen is 9 mg per liter and final dissolved oxygen after 5 days is 3 mg per liter, so the BoD is option A 3 mg per liter, option B 5 mg per liter, option C 6 mg per liter and option D 9 mg per liter. So the BoD is initial BoD minus final BoD, so that is 9 mg per liter minus 3 mg per liter, so that is 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. So option C 6 mg per liter is the correct answer. Next question, the main significance of BoD test is to measure option A toxicity of the water, option B organic pollution, option C alkalinity, option D hardness. So the BoD means the amount of oxygen required to decompose any organic matter. So the option B organic pollution is the correct answer. Next question, a water sample has BoD of 20 mg per liter. This indicate option A safe for drinking, option B slightly polluted, option C highly polluted, option D moderate polluted. So the BoD is more than 10 mg per liter, so that will be act as a highly polluted. So here is the BoD is 20 mg per liter. So option C highly polluted is the correct answer. Next question, the BoD value of drinking water should be less than option A 10 mg per liter, option B 5 mg per liter, option C 3 mg per liter, option D 1 mg per liter. So for drinking water, so the less than 1 mg per liter BoD is required. So option D is the correct answer. Next question, a river sample has dissolved oxygen of 8 mg per liter and BoD of 15 mg per liter. What is the condition? Option A clean water, option B oxygen deficient, option C alkaline water, option B safe for aquatic life. So here the dissolved oxygen is 8 mg per liter, so then biological oxygen demand is 15 mg per liter. So the oxygen is deficient, so the amount of oxygen required will be more, so the option B oxygen deficient is the correct answer. Next question, if initial DO is 7.5 mg per liter and final dissolved oxygen is 4 mg per liter, then BoD is, so we here also we can use the formula initial BoD minus final BoD, so that is 7.5 minus 4.0, so that is equal to 3.5 is the correct answer. So option A 3.5 mg per liter is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following has the highest BoD? Option A distilled water, option B municipal sewage, option C industrial effluents, option D treated wastewater. So here the highest BoD is from the industrial effluents. So option C is the correct answer. Next question, high BoD in the river means option A high dissolved oxygen, option B high organic pollution, option C high water quality, option D low microbial activity. So here the organic pollution is more, so the BoD also more, so option B is the correct answer. Next question, the relationship between BoD and DO is option A direct, option B inverse, option C no relation, option D random. Here option B inverse is the correct answer because whenever the dissolved oxygen will be less, the biological oxygen demand will be more. Next question, which parameter is used as an indirect measure of organic matter? Option A COD, option B BoD, option C pH and option D hardness. So the amount of organic matter present in the water is called option B BoD. Next question, in BoD calculation, which of the microorganisms play a major role? Option A virus, option B protozoa, option C bacteria and option D fungi. So the correct answer is option C bacteria. Next question, the typical BoD of untreated domestic sewage is option A 10 to 30 mg per liter, option B 100 to 400 mg per liter, option C 500 to 1000 mg per liter, option D more than 1000 mg per liter. Here the correct answer is option B 100 to 400 mg per liter. Next question, if DO increases rapidly in the stream, this indicate option A low microbial activity, option B high BoD load, option C high pH, option D low COD. So the correct answer is option B high BoD load. Next question, a wastewater sample has dissolved oxygen. Initial dissolved oxygen is 8 mg per liter and final dissolved oxygen is 5 days 2 mg per liter. So the BoD is, so here also we can use the formula initial dissolved oxygen minus final dissolved oxygen, that is 2, that is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. So option B 6 mg per liter is the correct answer. Next question, in which test the faster but less accurate than BoD test? Option A dissolved oxygen test, option B COD test, option C TOC test, option D TDS test. So the correct answer is option B COD test. Next question, higher BoD values in the wastewater indicates option A more organic load, option B less organic load, option C neutral condition, option D pure water. So here option A is the correct answer, more organic load is the correct answer. Next question, which water body is most affected by high BoD waste discharge? Option A ocean, option B pond, option C lake and option D river. Option C is the correct answer, lake is the correct answer. So why? Because lake has a stagnant water, so the reproduction of oxygen is very slow, so the BoD also will be more. Next question, a water sample shows BoD of 250 mg per liter. This water is option A fit for drinking, option B fit for irrigation, option C raw sewage and option D distilled water. So the BoD for the drinking water is less than 1 mg per liter. And also 100 to 400 mg per liter BoD is highly polluted. So the correct answer will be raw sewage. Again we will see next video. Thank you.